हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल।
So hello guys, welcome back. ये मेरा काम है. Welcome back to the second part of Leaving Hosa featuring
मयंक भट्ट।
जोर से थोड़ा.
मयंक भट्ट।
So he is Mayank Bhatt. So he is the second guy who is leaving us currently. कुछ भी जा चुके हैं. As you can see in the last video, 3 दिन हो चुके हैं वो गए हुए. अब मयंक का आज लास्ट डे है होसा में. So how are you feeling today? Like after being 2 साल से ज़्यादा हो चुके हैं आपको होसा में. You were the first. You came earlier than me, right?
Yeah,
So
more than 2 years।
जा रहा है वो. अमन पागलों की तरह एयरफोन लगा के भाई. सो आपका 2 साल से ऊपर हो चुका है होसा में. तो आपको कैसा लगा है? फाइनली यू आर लीविंग ए प्लेस जिसने आपको ग्रो किया है. यू आर मयंक, द बैकबोन ऑफ होसा बार, द गाय हु कैन kill it on the floor,
It's fine।
and you are leaving this place. So how do you feel today?
See, I feel it's a mix of emotions and I don't know how to express that feeling। मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं अभी कुछ भी अगर मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा बोलूँगा तो I'll cry। So I try
No need to cry. Everything happens for good, right?
True।
And how would you describe this entire journey of Hosa in one word? One word.
Fantastic।
Fantastic.
Fantastic।
And where are you going after this?
I'll go back to my hometown
And
and I'll do some of like a startup।
startup. Seriously.
Planning to do a startup। यही झूठ मैंने सबको बोला है, but actually I'm coming back to Goa and see you soon guys।
Exactly. That's what we needed. You don't have to tell us like where you're going. Like we still, nobody's gonna say this. Like very few people are gonna say like Hosa people, right?
Yeah।
And what is the one message would you like to give to the entire team of Hosa?
Entire
As they are going to
team.
see this video and they
Oh
will be like,
shit।
so what you would like to tell them, like each individual, like Parth sir, Pooja ma'am, would you like to leave a message for them?
I have to think about this
No, it is.
because if it's a message for everybody and it's just only one message, it would be fair play।
Fair play. In the sense, fair play what?
Now that they have to decide।
Everybody like is good, it's bad.
Yeah, it happens, everybody is good and bad, but there's a word called fair play जो कि होना चाहिए।
What hell happened?
पहले था, अब नहीं। आगे क्या पता हो जाए वापस।
So as today is your last day and after the briefing or maybe you will be going, you
Yeah।
will be cutting some cake. And once you leave this person and you are not coming back, seriously, like for me this is first time a job which I love doing. यहाँ पर मुझे रोज आने का मन करता है. So ये
And you can see from assistant steward to assistant bartender,
exactly
from a warning letter to a appreciation letter। It happens
ups
a lot।
and down, ups and down.
Yes।
Roller coaster ride, like कुछ भैया से. It's
Yeah।
a roller coaster
It's a
ride.
roller coaster ride।
What did Goa taught you in past 2 years?
Goa।
Yeah, like not apparently Hosa, but this entire experience, the livelihood, the freedom, the loneliness, the groups, the friends, like what did it teach you? Like to grow as a person, did it help you in any way?
Yes, it did। It did a lot। It changed my perspective, and I think I am not the same guy anymore,
Exactly.
which I was back in 2 years। But I would say Goa teach me to live like a sussegard, but not get lazy।
Right.
Never get lazy।
So I think sometimes it changed your mindset, you know, like you,
Correct,
me,
correct।
all the
And
people.
You are damn।
2 years ago,
Yes।
we were not the same. This place has totally changed us.
Yeah।
And what would you like to give an advice as all of our old team members are gone? Now only me and Ajit are left and all the new people are coming in, new bartenders, fresher bartenders are coming in. What would you like to give me an advice that which will help me in the long run to run this bar, 2 bars, Hosa and Firebag?
Never underestimate the other person। That's it। If you think he can't do it, but if he thinks he can do it, he can do it।
Ah, yeah, obviously.
That's it। बाकी you don't need any more advice। You are doing a great job एंड एडवाइस मुझे उनको देनी है जो सारे के सारे हैं बट
देना।
मुझे लगता नहीं है उनका एडवाइस से कुछ फर्क पड़ेगा
क्योंकि वो एडवाइस को समझने में उनको काफ़ी टाइम लग
इट
जाएगा।
डिपेंड्स ऑन माइंडसेट एंड माइंडसेट मुझे दिख गया है किसका कैसा चल रहा है अभी
Like the mindset we had when we entered the bar.
यस इट वाज फुल
Full on energy.
यस पैशनेट
Passionate. We are very passionate about our work, and which right now we are not seeing in our new batch of bartenders. They are modern bartenders. They are not like an old bartenders. Again, there are a few
Please,
more
please,
people
please,
like
please.
Parth sir and
Hello.
last time आप नहीं आए थे, Parth आपका चेहरा नहीं
अरे
है।
नहीं
Really?
you
This
have
time
to
आपका
come.
चेहरा आना
जल्दी।
पड़ेगा।
Really? Okay.
जगह ही नहीं
Sorry.
मैं तो आ नहीं
So
पाऊंगी
this is Parth sir. आपको नीचे झुकना
नहीं
पड़ेगा।
आ रहे,
ऐसे
नहीं
ही
आ रहे।
रहता है, पूरा यहाँ।
Hi.
Yes.
हाँ
तो हमें ट्राइपॉड को घुमाना पड़ेगा शायद
हाँ, रमेश sir. रमेश sir हमारे पिछले वीडियो में फीचर हुई थी,
हाँ
but in the
But
sense
you-
like in talk wise,
भाई
you will see. in the
Are we
video.
doing a podcast?
We are posting.
Oh my god, having a podcast.
बस. I'll be posting today. I'll
मैं
send
हूँ
you the
podcast
link.
bro. You're the podcast
देखना,
bros.
हमारा दोनों का
किसके
free
बारे
man
में podcast?
पॉडकास्ट
कुछ भी आएगा
है
जब लास्ट डे था तब मैंने किया था।
Apparently, you're the only lady element that they have. So that's-
पीपल
देखना एक बार सही है।
हाफ लेडी
देखना। Half lady. He said half lady. Is it good? आ रहा है देखना एक बार दोनों का।
पक्का
रम्या सर, पार्थ सर,
लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स
सीनियर्स।
प्यार भी मुझे यहाँ गोवा में ही आके मिला
मेरा तो बस क्या ही बताऊँ मैं। मैंने तो छोड़ ही दिया अब छोड़।
आपका तो कम से कम 3-4 एटलीस्ट 2-3 तो हो ही गया
गोवा में?
हाँ
नहीं गोवा में मैं तो एक ही दिन था।
नहीं टोटल अगर गोवा में ही रह के अगर आप इधर उधर का भी देखें तो 2-3 तो था ही
नहीं, मैंने किसी से प्यार नहीं किया।
क्या बात कर रहे
एक ही तो मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड थी, वो भी तो ब्रेकअप हो गया।
हो नहीं आपका पहले
कौन सा? वही तो एक था।
अब उसके बाद ये बंगाल वाला
वो तो मेरे घर पर, वो हम रिलेशनशिप में भी नहीं थे भाई,
हाँ।
टॉकिंग स्टेज में थे।
टॉकिंग स्टेज
1 महीने में खत्म हो गया। हम वो सब छोड़ते, हम उस मुद्दे पे नहीं थे। What was Hosa to you?
सेफ प्लेस होम
Safe place.
comfort great for learning
Like managers wise, they were very good managers. We had Harsh sir, Parth sir, Pooja ma'am, our Sahil senior. Any message for Sahil senior?
Sahil senior is like you can say godfather guru and there's another person I didn't mention he is Ajay senior ने भी जितना मेरा हेल्प किया है स्टार्टिंग में अजय सीनियर एंड साहिल सीनियर आर बोथ लाइक गॉडफादर्स टू मी
The amount of respect and appreciation which we have for our seniors is like mind-boggling, you know, like very different cultural peoples were there, our senior, even we are from a different cultural backgrounds, you know, he's from Uttarakhand, I am from Assam. Our seniors are also very diverse, you know, they had a specific mindset for work, they wanted their work to be very perfect, they were a perfectionist, and that what they implemented on us, you know, when we came here and we start learning from them. So it helped us whatever we are today, wherever he is going, whatever I am today, is because of just our senior, Kaushik senior, Ajay senior, Sahil senior, the one which started this bar. Now we are carrying it, we are running it, but the starting will always be the starting.
एंड एवरीबडी हैज़ देयर डिफरेंट वेज ऑफ टीचिंग बट जो इनका तरीका था जिस प्यार से इन्होंने रखा है प्यार से इन्होंने सिखाया है नाउ आई एम मोर ऑन सैड साइड ठीक है नाउ इट्स नॉट अ मिक्स ऑफ इमोशंस आई एम नॉट हैप्पी एनीमोर आई एम मेजरली सैड
No, it happens. No, when you are confessing something, it happens. My under cover. As you are a person who doesn't like to express his emotions
True.
very frequently, I can totally understand with that. So no worries. And by the way, we are having a farewell party today, right?
Today we are having a nice farewell party. It's not a party, it's actually a get together.
Get together.
There's a major difference जो कई लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता है पार्टी सोच के आ जाते हैं and फिर भंड होने के लिए आते हैं बट नो इट्स अ गेट टुगेदर एंड गेट टुगेदर में थोड़ा छोटे छोटे पिक मारे बट सीनियर्स यू आर ऑल्सो गोइंग आफ्टर सम टाइम एज यू सेड और यू हैव फ्यूचर प्लान्स
मुझे बीप करना पड़ेगा
1-2 ईयर के बाद
नेक्स्ट ईयर के बाद तो कहीं ना कहीं जाओगे.
Obviously,
हमेशा
my
ये
time,
छोड़े
my time will come. Obviously, it is. My time will come, but not right now. It still has couple of months
मोहन
left.
जी इधर आओ जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी.
Mohan sir, come.
अरे यार.
So he is Mohan sir.
A great
He's our-
guy from again Uttarakhand. And see
Gagandeep
at
Singh.
Sardar Beach, the sails.
अभी आना है. बस 2 मिनट दोगे, बस खत्म कर लेता हूँ. गुड बाय बोलता हूँ.
Hello guys, how are you doing?
भाई वो वाइन टेस्ट करनी है.
लौटेंगे बहन के लाइन.
हाँ भाई स्टेज पे ना.
किसको?
तू तो चला जाएगा, मार लेंगे हमारी वो. अरे वही तो बैठे हैं.
So meet Paji. Paji is one of the greatest man alive in this earth.
In this earth.
In this
Oh,
earth.
as you can see, this is
I
Hosa,
believe
right?
in
We
multiverse.
have to go back and we have to continue our work today. And we couldn't finish what we wanted to,
But
the way we wanted to. But still,
it's
yeah,
okay, it's fine.
it's a goodbye from Mayank, but not a goodbye actually. We'll meet very soon.
Yeah.
Somehow
Sayonara.
it's closed. So let's end the video here.
Other? Okay.
Chalo guys.
All right.
Bye bye.
See you.
So let's end the video here and we'll say goodbye to Mayank as he is going out of Hosa.
See you soon.
Let's go. चलो
चलो जी.
मिलते हैं भाई.